What is turmeric? Turmeric is a product of curcuminoids, a rhizomatous herbaceous perennial plant belonging to the ginger family's Ingiberaceae. The plant grows to a height of 5 to 6 feet and bears large, oblong leaves and funnel-shaped, dull yellow flowers. Its roots are bulbs that also produce rhizomes, which then produce stems and roots for new plants. The dried primary bulb and secondary lateral rhizomes are collected, cleaned, boiled, and dried for use in medicinal and food preparations. Turmeric is fragrant and has a bitter, somewhat sharp taste. It grows in many tropical locations. The majority of turmeric is grown in India, where it is used as a main ingredient in curry. Turmeric has been used for 4,000 years to treat a variety of health conditions. Studies show that turmeric may help fight infections and some cancers, reduce inflammation, and treat digestive problems. Turmeric has been used in both Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine as an anti-inflammatory, to treat digestive and liver problems, skin diseases, and wounds. Turmeric is also used in mustard and to color butter and cheese. Turmeric is available as a whole, or ground into powder. Buy high-quality turmeric. What are you waiting for?